Hey babe, my airplane is here. Here he is. They are uploading it. Checking it. Taking out the old cases. Bringing in the new. But I don't see the suitcases. Maybe they are already inside. It's a very organized airport. Not all airports are. Now you can see how much people it takes to get one airplane off the ground. The big tower there, it's control of the whole airport. And the big hoses, I think that's to keep the airplane cool. It's a nice airport, very nice. My gate is C24. Look. People sleeping, waiting. I still have to wait 1 hour. Then I leave. In the airplane I will film again when we are seated. As you can see how many people get in. I will talk to you later. When I'm in the airplane, I don't know if I can still send it from inside the airplane, because I don't know if they allow it. I just talked with an Australian guy. He did buy a cappuccino here. Oh my god, 15 Australian dollars, 1 cup of cappuccino, tax free. Holy crap, that's a lot of money. Cup of normal coffee, €7. Holy crap again. It scares me to buy something here. Oh, that's tax free. Holy crap. They're making a load of money. If I would have a stand here, I would import that stuff and sell a cup of coffee for $2. I think that I would be a millionaire inside a year from all the coffee and all the stuff. Love you. Love you, Jane. Love you all. Love you, Yum Yum. See you next year. Then we will see what we can do in the house. But no hotel this time. Too much traveling. Next time when I'm there, I'm gonna do some stuff to upgrade the house a little bit more with other things. Love you. Bye bye.